Thank you for engaging with me in this experiment. And some of you are probably wondering, what should I be thinking about? If this is physics, I mean, there are all kinds of physics theories out there and laws. What, So I'm going to help you with the mindset that I'm looking for. When you're driving your vehicle along the road, down the road, you're not thinking about the other car. The rate at which they are changing the distance in that direction is a little faster than mine. You're not thinking in exactly those terms, in that precise phraseology. Uh, what are you thinking? You're thinking, I think they want to go faster than me. So, am I going to let them go or am I not? This is what I'm looking for. Nothing too deep. We're staying on the surface. Imagine you met somebody at the airport. How would you communicate with them? How has your day been? Oh, it's been so coldy. You know, all the wind coming in. I had to grab a blanket. That sort of a thing. And if you're in Lesotho, you meet somebody at the bus stop. Do you try to show them that you have a college degree? How would you communicate with them? You just say, how are you? Oh, this is wonderful. We had so much rain. It's been beautiful. This is the level of interaction that I'm looking for. So now I'm going to try to answer my own question, and I will show you what I have here on the board in terms of what I anticipated. If I were asked to explain how I felt, explain the situation where I was on the bus or in the bus, I would say, I'm just standing right here in the bus. The bus is not moving. I'm not moving. Yes, the bus is still, and so am I. But that is my response. Somebody might have a different response. The other person's response could be, I'm here, I'm still, nothing is happening. The bus is moving. Do you see how we are giving our different responses and how the responses speak only about ourselves and the bus? Now, you might write to yourself some notes, because I put down some notes here as to the possible responses. This is just what I demonstrated here. So this is the first group. They are explaining their experience. And for group B, here, they would say the bus is moving. Remember, in group A, they said the bus was not moving. Now, the next question, and this is still at the level of this conversation. Don't go anywhere, no textbooks, no nothing. Don't assume I have any knowledge. All the knowledge I have is right here. I haven't read any laws. I haven't been attending any private lessons. So don't surprise me. In group A, you said you're still standing here on the bus or in the bus, and the bus is not moving either. Could you tell me why? Don't jump anywhere. Please don't tell me any theories, because I won't understand them. I don't know any theories. Tell me why. Tell me why you feel the way you do. Tell me why you're not moving. Tell me why the bus is not moving. And the people in group B, the same thing. Tell me why you're still and yet the bus is moving. Don't repeat what you already said. Don't say the bus is not moving because it just isn't. Or don't tell me the bus is moving because it just is. Or it's not moving because it just isn't. No. Help me understand. I would like you to dig into that experience. Try the best you can. I have an even better analogy. Imagine I'm your little sister, and you're trying to explain this to me. Break it down for me the best you can. I'm your sister in preschool, and well, you have a hope that one day I'll be the smartest kid in this school, but I'm not there yet. So explain this to me in the simplest terms. Why are you standing on the bus and you're not moving? And the bus is also not moving. The same assignment for people in group B. Explain to me. I'm your little sister. I'm this tall. No, I'm not that tall. I'm your little sister. And you're trying to explain to me why it is that you're standing on the bus. It is moving, but you're not moving. Don't change your story because you already told me that you were standing, then the bus was moving. Don't change the framework now. Okay, I'll be back at a later time and we are going to explore this further. Does this make sense? We are trying to stay in this type of a conversation. See how comfortable it is? And we don't want to make it any complicated. And I promise you, if you bring in any scientific theories, I will not know them. Because I don't. We're just talking here.